Hi friends! About a year and a half ago, I had the extreme good fortune to be able to completely renovate our condo. And I've realized since then how much I absolutely love how everything turned out, and I don't want to change anything. But I do also like to change things up a little bit and express some creativity throughout the year in my home. So in this video, I am going to show you a couple easy ways that I've been doing that. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. I have friends who change up their homes all the time. Completely move furniture all around, change their artwork, change their pillows, have seasonal things, and I very much respect that and think it's cool, but I've realized that it really isn't me. Once I get things the way I really like them and have all of my things that mean something to me around me, I really don't change things at all. I have found, however, that I do like to express some creativity and was looking for a couple ways and a couple places in my home to do that, and I found them. For me, it's fun, but not overwhelming, and it just sort of keeps me from not getting bored. My friend Jacqueline, who helped me do the remodel, found these big brass bowls for me that we have on our dining room table. Now they're the perfect size, which they're pretty big. It was kind of hard to find something this big. They're the exact right color for the entire space. And I really love how you can nest them or use them separately. They look really fine alone too. The way that our condo is laid out, this really is kind of the centerpiece of our entire big space that has our sort of living room, dining room, and kitchen. Throughout the year, I had a lot of fun every month changing out what I put in these bowls. I sourced the majority of things that I put in these bowls from Etsy, which I love. I absolutely love supporting the artists and the small businesses on Etsy. So creative. I found a bunch of different kinds of vintage balls that I used in here, and they're things that I'll be able to sort of mix and match and use for many years to come. I also experimented with some other things, really had a lot of fun, and it did sort of change up this space just enough. Here's how I styled my bowls each month. I absolutely love anything mid-century, but I really love the colored glass, and especially when I find something that I can use as a vase. I have this really cool owl-faced one that I bought at Madge here in San Diego, one of my favorite places, And this other one that's sort of a rounded shape, I'm guessing it was intended for some sort of liquid or something, but I also realized I can use this as a vase, and I thrifted this one. I really like them on my bathroom sinks, and I love putting flowers in bathrooms. I am super lucky that I have a Trader Joe's right down the street from me. Big fan of everything in there. But their flower section is so great because they change them up seasonally and so affordable. Here are some of the flower arrangements I did in these two vases throughout the year. Lots of fun doing this, and I will continue over the years. What do you like to do to change up your home decor? I would love to know that in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and it means a lot to me. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.